1977 Lincoln Continental here at Unique Specialty Classics, Mark V. 400 V8 underneath the hood that's paired up with an automatic transmission. Of course, power steering, power brakes, AC. Let's take a look at the chrome on the front. Notice there is some pitting here, and you can also see how that filler panel fits in there. Of course, the iconic Lincoln radiator shell. Gold exterior with a neutral interior. Check out the still pictures, uniqueclassiccars.com. If you're watching this video on YouTube, click on the link down below the video in the description. That's going to take you right to our website. Of course, you can call us 507-386-1726. American Racing torque thrust style wheels. White wall radials. Let's take a look down this passenger side. Now, we can see there's some rust down below in this lower rocker. Paint is not perfect. There's some Mars or some dings, scratches here, there. Same as the vinyl top. Shows it's aged some. It's one of those vehicles. We've driven it. Parking lot, frontage road. Jason will take it for a drive. Show you how it drives out before you're going to take this thing a long ways on a trip or do much cruising with it. I kind of give her the once over. We did do new front and rear brake hoses and also a new sway bar kit. Remember, we do consider trades. Financing is available. Of course, we can assist with transportation, and this vehicle may be eligible for an extended service contract. Consult with your sales associate when you call in or email. We'll get around to the interior, take a little closer look at that too in here in just a bit. Also wanted to mention it does apparently leak some tranny fluid or brake fluid. It was red fluid after it had sat for a period of time. Give you the heads up on that. So we'll need some TLC, and once again, those still pictures, uniqueclassiccars.com. Consigner the vehicle, said announce it, show it the way it is, and reflect it in the price. So here you go. All right, wheel wells up front. Do have some bubbling there. Wanted to point out. Up down the rest of this driver's side. Have a little scar. Back right here. Some more in the vinyl top, just aging a little bit where it's cracked. As far as interior, kind of the same way as the vinyl on the top. Some spots where it's wore through. Leather's thin. Split bench seat up front. Door panels. And again, you'll be able to see all of this in the still pictures. Top of the dash looking pretty good. Headliner looks good. Start it up, let's hear it run. We'll take a peek underneath the hood too. Notice that one of the gauge clusters. Kind of sits at an angle behind that lens. Light on is the door ajar light, just so you know. AM/FM cassette player. I did have that powered up. Is the radio working? That's the dash. Pretty quiet actually as far as exhaust goes. I'm going to pull those headlights out a second because of course we'd have the headlight doors, so those are operating correctly. Let me go ahead and pause this a second. Let's pop this hood open, check out that engine bay, and then like I said, stick around to the very end of the video. Jason will take it for a drive, show you how it drives out. There's a look at the hood liner. And engine bay. And also, if you have any more questions, you want details as far as the inspection on it, when our technician looked at it, go ahead and consult with your sales associate when you call in or email. Like AC components still intact, but you can also see the belt not hooked up anymore. There is a battery shut off in between drives when it's in storage. And again, 400 V8 power. '77 Lincoln Continental Mark V. Call us 507-386-1726. UniqueClassicCars.com. Remember, we do consider trades. Financing is available. Of course, we can assist with transportation. This vehicle may be eligible for an extended service contract. Consult with your sales associate when you call in or email.
Hey, did you know that this car qualifies for an extended warranty? It's just like the one you get at your new car dealership, except it covers your classic car instead. It covers all the major components like engine, transmission, drivetrain, and you can get coverage up to 10 years. Repairs aren't cheap. These extended warranties are a no-brainer. Contact us for a quote on this car today.
Today we're driving a 1977 Lincoln Continental Mark V. One of those large, luxurious, late 70s cars. Fun in their own way. The hood ornament's having lots of fun. It kind of teeters from side to side. I think that just means it's having fun, seriously. The speedometer on this car has been displaced a little, you could say, but it's working as it should. It says we're doing 55 miles an hour, and it feels like 55 miles an hour. This is an automatic on the column. The steering wheel's clocked slightly to the left, but that doesn't affect performance at all. The blower motor's working. I have some heat rolling right now. The wipers also work on this car. Factory stereo.
Ready or especially canceling your timeshare. Don't.
FM is working. There's also an 8-track player. Now, I have not tested the 8-tracks. These cars are just fun to drive. They're like, if you could drive your living room around, it's kind of like that. Super comfy. You feel like you're still at home, just relaxing, but you're cruising down the road. That's what I feel like. Brakes are working, as they should, power brakes. This car, honestly, it doesn't lean as much as you'd think. It's not bad at cornering for such a large car, and power steering is flawless. You can steer it with one finger easily. Sit back and relax in this car and go for a cruise. Check out all the pictures at UniqueClassicCars.com.